In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a letter effect using Canva. If you want your text to pop, glow, or take on a unique shape, these built-in effects are a quick way to get professional results without any complicated tools. Let's walk through it together. Nice and easy. Start by opening your design and selecting the text you want to style. With your text active, head to the top toolbar and click Effects. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see a panel with several options designed to change the look and feel of your letters while keeping everything editable. First up is Neon. Choose the neon effect for a soft, glowing, retro vibe that draws attention without being harsh. You'll notice an intensity slider. This controls how strong the glow appears. Slide it down for a gentle halo that feels subtle and polished. Or push it up for a bold, eye-catching highlight. A quick tip: neon looks best when here is good contrast between your text and the background, so the glow has room to shine. Next, try Lift. Lift adds a delicate shadow behind your letters, giving them depth and separating them from the background. It's perfect for designs that feel a bit flat or for busy images, where your text needs a little help standing out. The effect is intentionally subtle, which keeps your layout clean and readable. Now take a look at Hollow, Splice, and Echo. These offer stylized outlines and layered looks that feel energetic and modern. Hollow removes the fill and focuses on the outline, giving you a sleek, airy style. Splice adds a layered edge for a bold dimensional feel. Echo creates repeating outlines that give motion and impact. These are great for headlines, posters, and anywhere you want a strong visual personality. As you explore them, keep readability in mind. Bigger sizes and shorter words often work best with these styles. Finally, check out Curve. Curve lets you bend your text into a circle or wave so it follows a path rather than sitting in a straight line. Use a gentle curve for a natural arc, or push it further for a full circle around a logo or focal point. This is a powerful way to guide the viewer's eye and add movement without clutter. Once you've tried these effects, pick the one that supports your message and complements your design. Keep it consistent, aim for strong contrast, and always preview to make sure it reads well at a glance. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.